Both sides agree constitutionally there is no reason to deny the accused bail. Donovan Lorde, the former chief financial officer at the St. Lucia Tourist Board, appeared in court on Tuesday for a bail application hearing. Lorde has been charged with 5 counts of stealing by reason of employment. He's represented by lead counsel Stanley Felix and junior counsel Lon Theophilus. Deputy DPP Edward Innocent is representing the state.
He's entitled to bail, and that's where it's at. He is entitled to bail. Whether in fact he's granted bail is a matter for the magistrate. It does not have so much to do with the strength of my argument or the strength of the other side's argument, but on the magistrate's assessment of the arguments placed before him and the law.
I would hope that bail will be granted, because it is something that is constitutionally afforded to persons brought before the court, and save for any conditions that is prescribed by law that the judge may find wanting. But in this case, we have covered every single base, and I see no reason why, in fact, bail may not be granted.
Bail will be decided by Magistrate Velan John. The defense says there are precedents that warrant the granting of bail, precedents they have been asked to present to the magistrate. Felix also argues his client surrendered to Trinidad authorities, a clear indication he is not a flight risk bent on fleeing justice.
He volunteered, he offered himself to be arrested in Trinidad, and he was extradited. He never resisted. He didn't contest any extradition orders. He voluntarily agreed to be extradited, and he's here.
Innocent and the state are fighting the bail application on the grounds an extradition request had to be made to get Lorde back to St. Lucia. Police issued a warrant including photo and description for Lorde's arrest in July.
This is a case where the defendant had to be forced, as it were, to return to the jurisdiction. An application for extradition had to be made. In fact, the coercive powers of the state had to be used to get him back in the jurisdiction. Now, that is the strongest point we have in this.
Lorde is currently being held in a holding cell in Castries. The state says a forensic audit revealed he had stolen over $330,000 from the St. Lucia Tourist Board. Police Commissioner Osbert Regis says Lorde was apprehended by the Counter-Drug Crime Task Force and Organized Crime Narcotics and Firearms Bureau in Trinidad and Tobago. Carmi Joseph, HTS News, Channel 4.